said it once and I'll say it again. Nexus Snap is, in my opinion, one of the best network marketing opportunities out there right now. More and more people are starting to hear about Nexus Snap, and I'm excited about it because I'm like, yo, this shit really can make people money. This really can help people save money. So, and I said in another video, but my goal is to show 5,000 people how to make money while saving money at the same time. All right, so that is my goal with Nexus Snap, to bring in 5,000 members. And if you are somebody who into, you know, Nexus Snap, Nexus Rewards, some people call it that, like, that should be your goal too. Why? Because this is one of the easiest damn things to promote in affiliate network marketing history. Because I tell people all the time when they ask me like, yo, how to promote Nexus? I'm like, it's simple. Who doesn't want to make some extra money, right? And who doesn't want to save money whenever they, you know, buy something on or offline? Like who, like a lot of people, I would say 95% of the population wants to make money, save money, or do both, right? So right there, you have something that is very, very easy to share with people, right? And that's why, like, I'm excited about the opportunity. And I even talked about in previous videos, I showed a little payment proof, how much money I earned so far with Nexus. But keeping it real, that ain't shit, right? What I've earned so far is nothing compared to what other people are making with this opportunity, right? I'm trying to catch up. I'm trying to go hard, right? I'm trying to be on the leaderboard. And if you're somebody into affiliate marketing, network marketing, you looking for a simple ass opportunity, like, you definitely want to check out Nexus Snap. You know, you watch all these videos about marketing this and that, and they talk about like, yo, you shouldn't sell, and you know, like, you gotta be discreet with the shit. And I agree to a little bit, but at some point you gotta let people know, yo, I got a good ass opportunity right here. If you're trying to make money with online, or you're trying to save money, check out this opportunity, right? Like, why wouldn't I put it out? At some point I gotta tell people, look, I'm making money with this shit. It is possible that you can make money with this. I know for a fact other people are making money with this. So if you want to check it out, the damn link in the description. If you decide to join Nexus, like, it's cool, like how you promote it, find your own way of doing it, but ultimately, like, you got to get this shit out there in front of people, whether it be YouTube, Facebook, business cards, flyers, whatever. Like, yo, if you got something that you are confident in and you want to put it out in front of a lot of people, you gotta let people know about it. You know what I'm saying? You gotta promote it. You gotta sell it, right? Because I'm comfortable talking about Nexus Snap. I'm comfortable promoting it and letting people know about this opportunity, right? Like, why not? If you've never heard of Nexus Snap before, click that link in the description. Take a couple minutes, really check out the program, check out the opportunity, and I'm pretty sure I will see you on the team.